How about
Mm. Yeah, doing good. Mm.
good evening, sir?
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Okay, so let's just share how was your last 1 month? Tanishka.
So, am I audible? Am I
Mm.
clear? Because
Yes,
there's
yes, clear.
disturbance.
Mm.
So, like past 1 month, like we
Mm.
have like completed the like very basic the Python topics that we were learning before.
Mm.
So we have started teaching them like functions. So
Mm.
then we wanted to like teach a bit advanced topics to them.
Mm.
So that's what we were doing. And then we were also making sure that they are actually understanding what we are teaching. Like
Mm.
we didn't hurry because like we are giving them a lot of quizzes and
Oh.
having like revision sessions and stuff.
Mm. Mm.
So even yesterday, like there was a quiz session. So for now, the functions topic it's over,
Mm.
and then we have to continue with the classes. So that's what
Mm.
happening in the like Python part, and then like I've also divided works
Mm.
among the instructors
Mm.
because like I used to like take care of all the stuff, and sometimes I used to be very confused. And if I have a lot of work to do at school, then I would like not complete most of the work here.
Mm.
So I've divided the work among the instructors.
Mm.
So like one, they can take care of the preparation for the classes, and
Mm.
the other for the documentation, and the other
Mm.
for the videos, so that we can again start uploading videos and then uh, like making like easy like just documenting stuff. So
Mm.
like I divided, so we'll start doing it next week onwards, like after exams.
Mm. Yeah. Mm. Thank you very much. Then Yashika.
Sir, in our team, we just Ashit, brother, conducted a quiz for us.
Mm.
Um, all the things we learned, like just to revise it, we
Mm.
revised in a class, and then the next class we conducted a quiz.
Mm.
And then yeah, nothing much. Like we had festivals and all
Mm.
stuff
Mm.
this
Mm.
week, so
Mm.
we didn't have classes, and
Mm.
the the next following class
Mm.
will have it.
Mm. Mm. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, Abhishek.
Yes, sir. So past 1 month, so we had two classes as holiday.
Mm.
So the first class was about preparing to the workshop. So we kind of learned new stuffs. Like mainly we focused on personality chatbot
Mm.
NLTK,
Mm.
and so there was a week fully focusing on the project. Then after we focused on some quizzes. So Ashrit brother prepared some quizzes in Kahoot. So we enjoyed there. That's the
Mm.
two classes, and the other two classes, which was last week, and that last week was holidays.
Mm. Mm. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Lekna.
So, sir, as Karishka sister said, we had the same thing.
Mm.
She gave us projects, like she divided us into teams.
Mm.
We are doing the project and we need to explain.
Mm. Mm. Yeah. Thank you. Pranava.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Nothing much going
Mm.
on. Yeah, like we have started with some bit advanced
Mm,
topics like the functions over. Next, we need to start with classes and objects. Yeah,
mm,
people are like they're getting a bit inactive because of the difficulty level, I guess.
mm, mm, mm,
Yeah,
mm.
I need to make them active.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Maria.
Yes, sir. In our team, until the like before the workshop, we had completed until functions, and after the workshop, we started with functions.
Mm,
For 2 weeks, we learned function, and we had a lot of recap, not recap, like quiz and question and answer, so that they'd be thorough with functions.
mm,
And now we have moved on to other topics as well, like file handling, and next we'll start with exception handling. But all the while, we are still giving some importance to functions so that they'll keep on continuing with functions.
mm,
Uh, so that is what's happening with that, sir.
mm, 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 mm. Yeah. Thank you. Kotam.
Good afternoon, sir.
Mm,
Coming to our group, the previous class we were discussing nested if else conditions.
mm,
It's fun seeing the students you thought in the previous or latter part of the year teaching the same topics to you.
mm,
They have understood the topics and they are taking the classes very good.
mm,
Uh, Regarding that, except that, I guess the classes are going pretty good. We
mm,
have been collaborating on making the presentations, and yeah, it is going good.
mm. Thank you. And
Sir, did you call my name?
yeah, Uju.
Yeah, yes, sir. So as Abhishek and Yashika said,
Mm,
we just had a recap or a revision session the past
mm,
few weeks.
mm,
And from this week, from this month, we'll start new topics for them
mm,
and then plan our classes much more better and then continue with
mm,
those.
mm, mm, mm. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Also, Harsha, sir, how about your last month?
Last month we finished with the mini projects.
Mm,
So coming up next thing, what I thought was that they have to practice on the mini projects and they have to make the improvements.
mm,
I
mm,
told them that like I'll just show them for all the projects how small improvements they can make, and
mm,
from that they can make their improvements. So I told them that. So I told them last week I'll give some examples, but I couldn't do that one. But Monday I'll give it to them, Monday
mm,
evening, so
mm,
they can refer that one and they can make their improvements. And they've mentioned to me like their approach for how to make the improvements as well. So
mm,
I'll help them out on that one.
mm,
After completing this improvements of their mini projects, we'll go
mm,
deeply into CNN models and mostly into image classification and image
mm,
generation.
mm,
So that is the plan for the
mm,
coming next term. And
mm,
second thing, as we know, like we are creating the course management system. I'll
mm,
just show them the demonstration after
mm, 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 mm.
this one.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thanks.
So last 1 month, as Harsha sir said, we were discussing and working on the course management system. So he will give us a demo on the prototype. And then this with the Sikkim, the state of Sikkim. So the volunteers, university volunteers have identified a couple of more government schools. So we are in touch with the officers to get their approval. Unlike the private schools, we need to get the government officers' permission to open WeJump for those schools. And the last Thursday, I and the Jane Madam went to Andhra Pradesh. So we will also start soon helping one school, government school in Andhra Pradesh. They don't have a computer lab. Actually, they took us to the computer lab where there was no computer. But they called it computer lab. So Hyundai Steel Company, they decided to provide them 20 desktop computers. And then WeJump will help the teacher and then children to learn digital skills. And then also with the Christ University volunteers, we are working on the WeJump promotion in Chennai. So we will take the train and go to Chennai on 22nd of September. The Korean government will have a national event. Yeah. So there we will set up our store and then promote WeJump, also selling the crochet items. So a couple of university students volunteered to make crochet items and we'll be selling and also promote WeJump. Yeah. Okay. And then coming back to our agenda, mm, how we can engage the student so that they can actively participate and grow. Yeah. I already forwarded the messages from Pranava and then Tanishka, and also want to learn uh, your suggestions, and then we can implement together. Okay, so let's have some discussion about the issues you are facing. Tanishka, would you go ahead?
Yeah, so first thing was that like regional classes, it shouldn't be like the same as school, like like timetable and then like syllabus and only on Fridays classes,
True.
and like it shouldn't be like fixed because like when it's like that, like the students they're like they remember wisdom only on Fridays.
Ah.
I mean, most of them, when they are like not into the topics,
Mm.
they remember their assignments in class only on
Mm.
Fridays.
Mm.
And one more thing is that like most of the work, like
Mm.
the syllabus or any projects,
Mm.
it's like only done by the instructors. So the
Mm.
students, they don't have much work. So they just attend the class and then they do the assignments and
Mm.
that's it. It's like they're not involved in something like for a long time, like
Mm.
continuously. They just
Mm.
do the assignment and then send and that's it.
Mm.
And when the topics gets like difficult
Mm.
as we and then they lose interest,
Mm.
so they start giving excuses like they
Mm.
don't attend the class.
Mm.
I mean, like the students who are like doing well and like who are able to, even they lose interest.
Mm.
So at
True.
first I was confused about this like group divisions like based
Mm.
on the rules.
Mm.
Like I was not sure if they're like actually in the stage where they can choose what actually they need to learn, because some they're like so sure of what they need to learn, but
Mm.
some they are just behind fun. So I did not know if we should like divide them based on the like different tools.
Mm.
And then the other thing was Leo told that there are no instructors, even
Mm.
if we divide the groups in
Mm.
that case.
Mm. Mm.
So we were confused about it,
Yeah.
but I think like we should be involved in projects like
Mm.
Friday classes. I
Mm.
think we should be free to have classes whenever we want. I mean,
Mm.
it's up to the students.
Mm.
So when they're involved in some projects and
Mm.
then like they don't think about doing just submitting the assignments to the
Mm.
it's like they are building their own small VJump
Yeah.
like in the teams.
Right.
So yeah, that's
Thank you. Leo, do you have any suggestion?
So, no,
Mm.
sir, because Tanishka said, and we discussed this all in a meeting inside our
Mm.
group.
Mm.
Tanishka said everything, so
Mm.
I respect
Mm.
this.
Mm. Mm. Yeah, you were saying that if we have multiple courses, we may not have enough instructors Is it, Leo?
Yes, sir. So, for example, if we divide into um, different sectors, for example, one is for Python, one is for editing, one is for designing. Uh, we won't have enough instructors, and even if you're doing student instructors, we will need the student instructors to be trained so that they can teach. So for that, we'll need outside instructors to teach us so that we can teach the students.
Yeah. When I observe the clusters, when I say clusters, couple of schools joined together and then they run the online course, like a CST you have. What is a CST?
So you mean the school names, Christ School,
And then?
and like Christ School Kandali is also there.
Okay, and then?
Few like two schools from Telangana.
Yeah, something like that. So who are the instructors?
So like so far, the instructors are only from like Karnataka. So uh, every the students in our school like they taught few topics now. I think now like Kandali students are teaching.
Oh, Kandali students who are teaching?
I think Abhishek took class.
Is it Abhishek?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What did you teach?
MA tap inventor.
How many attended?
Like like 30 or 40 maybe they
What,
attending.
what was their response?
They were very active and very curious to know the topic more and more.
Did they submit their assignment?
I have given time till Friday.
Mm-hmm.
So the assignment is that create an app which changes its background. So they should submit it by Friday. Till now, I didn't get any assignments submitted. I hope they will submit by the deadline.
Okay, understood. Yeah, Tanishka?
So regarding the assignments, like I've been observing from the beginning, like I've like noted few students, like they've been submitting the assignments like from the beginning. So when the classes are like so good and so clear and they understand, like they attend all the classes and then they submit the assignments. They always submit it. So like there are few students, even though many are active in the class, but there are like certain students who submit the assignments also.
Um, do you have any plan for project CST?
So like Python projects.
No, this MIT App Inventor. Not just an assignment, but individual or group project. Do you have the plan?
So like now there are many members, like there are many members. So like we just made the like very simple syllabus and we're just following it. Like I think it'll be completed after a week or so. Then we have to start with the project. So because we are just like for now we are just teaching the students. We still didn't think about projects.
Pranava,
Yes, sir.
the students, they have uh, school courseworks, and at the same time, they attend online uh, classes. And in their schools, they attend or conduct offline classes. Along with that, they have to participate in, say, team project. Do you think it will be too much for them?
So I guess it won't be that much burden. Like, it's, if we do it like once in a week, I guess it won't be like if it is this offline class, they will anyhow conduct it in the school itself. So nothing much burden when they come home.
Mm,
So anyhow, Friday classes are like learn.
mm,
The Friday classes are just learning sessions, so
mm,
people are not. They won't even get that much involved.
mm. Lekana,
Anything other than
I see. Okay.
Yes, sir.
How many hours do you spend for WeJump?
Like, like to be frank, I only spend like 1 hour for the classes on Friday,
Mm,
and other time I'll only spend time in school for the offline class.
mm, mm.
Yeah.
So, is there no problem for you to manage your school study? I mean, yeah, school study?
Yes, sir. There's no problem for me. I'll manage it.
Can manage. What about Yashika?
Uh, Sir, me too, just like Lekana said, on Fridays we'll concentrate on the online classes, and
Mm,
in our schools, offline people will we conduct in our school we conduct it on Tuesday and Thursdays.
mm,
So during that times we teach there and
mm,
like give our time there.
mm,
And honestly, there's like I don't feel like burden or something.
mm,
It'll just like smoothly go with the daily schedule, and I don't
mm,
feel that it actually overtakes or something like
mm,
that.
mm. Yeah, thank you. Kotham,
Yes, sir.
is there any course?
So my time spent in WeJump is drastically different from what I used to do last year and this year.
Mm,
Previous year, I used to sit for hours making presentations and
mm,
planning what to teach to the students. But this year, from when Kenneth has taken over, he
mm,
is managing everything, and I just have to like go to meetings.
mm,
I just ask him what I have to teach, and I teach it to them. The
mm,
presentations, as we do it together, it's been very easier.
mm, mm. Do you have any course either you participate or you have heard about that multiple instructors taking in charge?
So can you repeat?
Is there any WeJump course that not just one instructor, but a couple of instructors are teaching?
So in our group, it's not like only one person is teaching.
Mm,
Some classes are taken by the students.
mm,
Almost 60 to 70% of the classes recap sessions are taken by the students. I thought during when Jasmine was the team captain,
mm,
Kenneth introduces some topics here and there.
mm, 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 mm. Okay. How was students' response?
Yes, sir, they are very responsive. I have three students who
Mm,
I can trust to give a topic, and
mm,
just they'll take over, they'll just manage the entire session.
mm, mm. In your class, only the Karnataka students are attending?
Yes, sir.
Mm. What if we open that course to other state students? Will there be any language issue?
No, sir, most probably not, because before we had one student, I guess, from Telangana.
Mm,
Uh, he he used to understand whatever we used to tell to him, but when he used to speak,
mm.
we should like try to understand what he's speaking. But
Okay,
we can
mm,
understand. It's like manageable.
thank you. Maria,
Yes, sir.
yeah, you visited Japan.
Yes, sir.
So, what are the three things you want to share with us?
Um, like what I learned about there, sir.
Mm, mm,
First of all, I think I would say I was like completely blown away by the cleanliness there. It was like,
Mm,
although I had heard a lot about the way the streets and how everything was kept there, like I
mm,
had heard about it, but seeing that
mm,
firsthand was completely different. And the biggest thing was that by the end of the week, I myself felt something was wrong if I did not segregate the waste and if I
mm,
did not do it in a systematic way. So
mm,
I felt that would be really good if everybody here as well started.
mm, mm,
That was one thing that impressed me. And the second thing was the punctuality. I guess nobody was late and everybody valued others' time and
mm, mm,
was not did their part perfectly, and that was another thing. And the third thing was that I one thing I noticed about the culture was that they put other people first,
mm,
more than like selfishness. Everything, like all the traditions I felt was like others should not have trouble, and
mm,
I felt that was really nice of that culture.
mm, mm. How were you selected for the program?
So it was from our school.
Mm,
Every year, there will be this Sakura Science High School program,
mm,
and a few states will be selected. And this year, from my school, they selected some people and sent their names to the Ministry
mm,
of Education.
mm,
And they have different criteria like marks and interest in science, and
mm,
any competitions if we have participated or gone to the
mm,
national level. There are many criteria, and based on the people they recommend, they'll
mm,
select it.
mm. Okay. What did you write about yourself?
Sorry, sir.
What did you write about yourself in the application?
Actually, they had given a form. I don't really remember, but they are asked like a few achievements that we have done, and
Mm,
then our field of interest and
mm,
what we'll learn from this such questions. But
mm,
most of the selection part was from the school itself, I think.
mm, 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 mm. Yeah, thank you.
Right.
Mm. And
Yes, sir.
are you in 11 or 12?
Sir, 11th.
11. How is study in 11?
They're going pretty good, sir.
So you can manage.
Yeah, I can manage now.
Mm. So any course are you taking?
Sir, in WeJump or other than
In
WeJump?
WeJump?
Sir, the Korean class and then the my team, that's all.
What about the conducting a class to you?
So nowadays, mostly Ashrit was conducting the classes,
Mm.
but from this month, I think all of us will join together.
Oh, okay. Join together means?
Uh, so we usually did like one class will be taken by Ashrit
Mm.
and a few of the other instructors,
Mm.
and the next class will be taken by me and few of the other
I
instructors. So
see.
we used to do this
Okay.
the past year, I guess. So
Mm.
we'll be introducing a few more uh, way of teaching, and then we'll implement that in our classes.
Mm. Now the difficulty level. For example, Canva, everyone is interested, but Python, not many are interested. And then the skill gap is much. So, do you feel so?
So I think for the students,
Mm,
Canva, yeah, it is very easy. So
mm,
they have a lot of interest in
mm,
Canva,
mm,
so they learn it very quickly. And
mm,
in Python, in starting, they used to be a lot interested because
mm,
it was kind of easy, I think.
mm,
But as the topics grew harder and harder, they lost a bit of interest
mm,
from somewhere, I think.
mm,
But for me, I think I find it like I like it, so
Mm,
I don't find it
mm,
boring or anything. So for me, it
mm.
is all good.
Okay. Tanishka,
Oh, yes.
um, say if we create different tracks, different tracks, and if just a very few students take the, say, programming tracks, mm, and then majority goes to multimedia only. So from class 6 to 12, only multimedia, only Canva. Is that okay?
So, can you repeat your question again? Like, I just understood that if there are different tracks, and
Mm.
then
And then some students, they are not interested to learn any other, say, Excel or MIT App Inventor, Python. They are not interested at all. And then they can just spend time for Canva, just multimedia, and then the video creation throughout their journey with the WeJump till they join university. Do you think is that okay to have that kind of a track, or you think the WeJump children at least should learn few things, including, if not Python, at least Scratch or MIT App Inventor, and then HTML, some basics as well. So what do you think?
so I think like even when we have different tracks and there are many people learning like different tools and only few in Python, like
Mm,
number doesn't matter.
mm,
So what I think about is like progress. I mean, even though they are learning
mm,
Canva, I mean,
mm,
it's not like they can learn Canva always.
mm,
I mean, even like the people who are learning Python,
mm,
they know what's happening in Canva. Like even they can work well with
mm,
Canva. Like they
mm,
know everything. It's not like they need to learn it
mm,
again.
mm,
So if there are a few students
mm,
who like don't have like a proper idea of what they need to do and they're just simply
mm,
learning different tools, for example, Canva,
mm,
I think they cannot like do that for a long time. And
mm,
if they're in a team, just
mm,
like the Python team, even they'll be having a like team.
mm,
So the instructor or the members there,
mm,
they have their own ideas and they
mm,
have like they want to do different projects and they have to like progress. So I think they cannot just be lazy. So
mm,
once they join some group,
mm,
anything like Python or Canva or anything,
mm,
so like they need to see some progress. So if like it's completed now, like there's nothing more to do it, so it's like
mm,
done,
mm,
then definitely they have to like move on to a different tool. I
mm,
mean, even though the like single like individual students,
mm,
some may think like that, but
mm,
the team and the instructors like there, they expect them to like move on, like to see progress in what they're doing.
mm. Yeah, thank you. Harsha sir,
Yes, sir.
yeah, would you give us the demo of the tool?
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Mm,
Sir, the initial plan was to have two or three students experience this one, but at the current moment, since of the network, they have to connect through the same Wi-Fi as of now, but make the configuration future for beta testing some other time. I'll show them the complete working of the WeJump Academy, the way which we have created, sir.
mhm,
I'll share the screen, sir.
mm,
So what we are trying to do is we are trying to create a LMS system,
mm,
LMS. When we tell we are maintaining all the courses, and we are including the students into each course.
What is the
And
LMS?
sir, LMS full form, I don't know, sir. Full form, I don't know.
LMS is a learning management system.
System.
Mm.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. The thing is that there are multiple things in our LMS. One is completely for the admin maintaining thing. Then there comes second part is the instructor teachers. So all the instructors were we are meeting as of now, and there are students. Third part, three parts are there in our application as of now. And I'll just go through each and everything. So whenever we create classes, we'll be creating interactive learning way. So there will be games and quizzes in each classes where they can interact in the same class and they can just get their outputs and scores. So they don't have to wait it for till next class they meet.
Do
So
you
they can do
mean
it anytime.
the instructors can create quizzes here?
Yes, sir. And instructor can create quizzes. Like also they can create uh, the cards. I forgot the name, sir.
Games also?
Flashcards, and those kind of things, like interactive learning way
Okay.
for whatever the class
Mm.
uh, boundary is there, they can create within that website.
Which means when students they participate in those quizzes and games, instructors don't need to evaluate their answers, but system will automatically and immediately give feedback. Is it?
Yes, sir. Sometimes it happens, but whenever the case is like there is long answers or short answers, so systems cannot evaluate. So during that time, the instructor intervention has to be there. So
Okay.
that time they have to do.
So it will be hybrid.
Hybrid, sir.
Okay.
So if it is kind of when we have multiple choice questions, like we can set for the system to automatically answer. But if it is short answer or long answer, this instructor has to come in or teacher has to come in.
Okay.
So also like all the teachers would be there. So it will be 24/7. So they don't have to wait for every week for the next class to happen or something like that. They can just keep track of their progress and those kind of things.
How
And then
does it work? Learn anytime. How does it work without conducting a class?
yes, sir. Sir, once we create the class, uh, there will be course materials, so they can refer it anytime, and there will be like the recordings. Like as of now, like we are sharing everything in the WhatsApp group. So each and every class we can share that link, and YouTube video box will come, and they can just view it from there itself, sir.
So
The
you
recorded
mean,
meetings.
say, if we have 20 groups, then in those 20 groups, courses are going on. Yeah, sometimes one group, one course. Some other time, one group, multiple courses. Say one school is one group, and in that, they conduct multiple online and offline courses. But in this Learn Anytime module, do you mean all the courses will be listed down and then the student can open their own courses and then refer to the course materials and the videos and then study by themselves?
Yes, sir. That is what I meant. So all the like which all the courses is going on, that would be listed for each and every students. So if they're interested, they can enroll. Once
Mm,
that they're approved of their course from the instructor or the person who has created the course,
mm,
they
mm,
can join that course,
mm,
and they can access that materials, all the things, whatever it's there in that one,
mm.
uh, anytime they want, and they can just go through that website.
Now the um, course instructors, they have their own the course plan. So
Yes, sir.
according to their course schedule, they are running the classes. Now, if this one learn anytime, then how does it go with the regular classes?
Sir, it's like they have the progress bar. Like they have to start from the start and they have to end. So progress bar would be there for the each and every students. So how
Mm.
much they are completed, we can track everything, sir.
Do you mean, say, I'm conducting Python course and it has 7 sessions. And then I gave a assignment to my students, and I'm now I am now just in the fourth class. Yesterday I completed. Mm. But some of my students haven't submitted the second session assignment. Mm. We are in the fourth class, but some didn't submit second class assignment. So, according to Learn Anytime, uh, can they study at their own pace and then submit the assignment later?
Sir, that depends on the class which we are taking because if we are taking, as you told, mention like it's true, sir. Like sometimes they'll do it after like 2 or 3 weeks. That might be wrong.
Mm.
So we'll think of a way for like even if they start the course within 1 week, they need to stop like submit that one.
Mm.
We'll just keep the timer and we'll do that one,
Mm.
sir.
Then here, learn at your own pace and on your own
Your own schedule.
schedule.
Like
So how does it work?
what I meant is that within the week, like if they're not able to
Uh,
attend the class or something like that.
mm.
So I thought it that way, sir. But
Mm.
we'll just make it. They might have missed that class like session.
Mm.
So Wednesday missed the class, and Friday they might come up with uh, go online,
Mm.
learn the through the video. They can
Mm.
submit on the Sunday. That way I thought, sir. But we'll make that one sure.
And then in this module, can students and instructors and the teachers view the progress of each student?
Yes, sir. They can track the progress. Each students like what they've submitted, what they're doing,
Mm.
and sir, there is point-based system. So for each and every students, like once they completed, there are points for them itself. So we
Mm.
have points-based track progress also, sir. Points-based system as well.
Mm.
So once students get particular points, let's just say out of 10, they got 8 points. So
Mm.
completing 3 or 4 courses, so
Mm.
they are eligible for moving to instructors.
Mm.
So
Okay.
they can start their own courses and they can just start teaching also, sir.
I understand from what you said that students will get their point or credit upon the successful completion of each course. And then once they accumulated a certain number of credits, they'll be, I would say, they'll be permitted to open their own course and then start. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Then I understand about the credit system for students, learners. What about the credit system for the instructors?
Credit system for the instructors.
Say
So,
they successfully completed helping, say, 10 students. Then shouldn't they also get the credit for their teaching?
okay, sir. They'll also get along with that. We can add the certification as well, online certification for that. Successfully
Mm.
completed the course that along with for the instructor as well.
Yeah, upon completion, they will get the certificate and also credit, both
Credit as
the learners and the instructors, right?
well. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Mm. Then say the students, learners, after collecting certain number of credits, they are eligible to become instructors. Then, now I'm talking about the instructors. After collecting, again, certain number of credits from their teaching, what next? What reward, what eligibility for the instructors?
Eligibility. That one I have to think about that one, sir.
Mm.
For the instructors, yes.
Yeah. So I'm asking these questions not only to you, but to
Yes.
all the pioneers in this group. Say your students. After that, they will be eligible to become instructors. But what about you? You instructors, after teaching, after completing many courses, yeah, either same course many times or the different levels. You completed the course conducting, and then you accumulated certain number of credits. With that, what comes next? What should come next? Yeah, that's my question to everyone. Maria, do you have any idea?
So I think I should think about it a little bit.
Yeah. What about Leo?
So, well, I think the question was the instructor's credit. What are they gonna do with the credit?
Yes,
Is it?
yeah, instructors, what are they gonna do with their credit?
Um, so even I have to think about it because I'm
Yeah.
not sure.
For example, now I see that instructors are many. PBC, that is a P Pushpa, B is a Bharatamata, and the C is a Krista Jyoti. Yeah. So PBC, the cluster also has many instructors, but they are not in this pioneers group. So beginners, instructors, pioneers, something like this, we can keep the steps. Then after collecting certain number of credits, they can also join pioneers group in which they can have this kind of strategic discussion for the growth of WeJump. Then, as pioneers, after collecting many credits, what should come next for you, Leo?
I need to think about it.
Yeah, maybe again many credits, then you can be eligible to have an international trip for leadership development. Then those who already gone for the international trip, what should come next? Yeah, like this, we need to create the ladder map. Okay. And then the Hasha sir,
Yes, sir.
expert teachers. Is it only the school teachers or the instructors as well?
It's instructor as well, sir. Expert teachers, when we say,
Mm.
learn from qualified instructors who understand how to make complex topics
Mm.
simple. So
Mm.
it's not the teachers, expert teachers. When we say we jump, everyone is teacher and everyone is student.
So, what is this module for?
Sir, this one is mainly maintaining for each and every course, like all the materials, all the
Mm.
assignments, all the projects,
Mm.
and then they're keeping their attendance,
Mm.
keeping track of their attendance and their achievements.
Perhaps we need to change the title because it is not just expert teachers' profiles. It is rather course management, right?
Yes, sir.
Which means the instructors can create their own courses here and then manage their courses. Is it?
Yes, sir.
So, what should they do at the time of creating a course?
I'll just show them the demonstration, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir. So I'll just create as a join now.
Mm.
So as of now, I'll take any one student. Let me just take Gautam or else Leo. I'll take, sir, anyone.
Okay.
So Leo.
Mm-hmm.
Is this spelling correct?
Not correct.
You can just put Leo, that's fine.
Oh, yeah, sure.
He uses a double P. It's okay.
Okay.
Leo.
So can I get the email address, Leo?
Okay, it's Leo LA
GU.
Leo LA.
LA once more.
One more LA.
PPAN 01.
So I'll just give random number as of now. Like I don't want to give all the
Okay.
credentials. So password, I'll just keep it small password.
Mm-hmm.
So it will just tell me like your weak password or something like that. So that standard is there when we are maintaining. So date of birth, I'll just give random numbers as of now.
Who was born today?
Yes, sir. He was born.
But he speaks. Wow, that's great. And he has an email ID also. Wow.
Yes.
Smart.
So city, Leo, you're from? Sorry.
Mysore.
So I don't have any photos as of now. Let me just take a photo. So just giving the details, you're just registering as a student, right? First, you can register as a student, and you also have other options. So because already there are some other students who are already joined, they're already instructor level, right? So we give the course instructor as of now. So tell us about yourself. Insights here. So there are some.
I guess we need to separate that currently who he is, his designation, and his role in WeJump, which means he joined as a student from 5 to 10 grades, and then he is also instructor in WeJump. Yes, you can separate.
Yes, sir. Sir, multiple roles are there. As of now, like when they're registering, they'll be starting as a student. So for that reason, only one option we can select.
No, what I mean is they are students. At the same time, they are instructors. So if you list down here, they can choose only one, either student or instructor. But what I mean is they can be both student and they should be both a student and the instructor.
Yes. So once they're registered, like as an admin, we have to approve. Once they're approved.
You have 8 minutes to complete.
Yes, sir. I'll complete this one fast. So once like these are the admin dashboard, so they don't have to worry. As of now, like there are 4 users.
Who are the admin? Only one person or multiple people?
As of now, one person, but we can give it for multiple users in future, sir.
Then we need to again segregate either by state or by school or by country, something like this. Different, yeah, the levels we need to give even for admin.
Yes. So once they're done, like all the user, like all the students and all the persons are displayed over here. So his role and instructor as a role and when he was born, his details. So like whatever the progress they've done, everything is captured. So 0 courses they have started, 2 courses they have started. So this would come under admin. So admin can view everything. So I'll just directly go into instructor mode.
So instructors also can view these things, right? At least their own members.
Yes, sir. Their own members, they can see the same, sir.
Yes.
So once they're approved, they can just log in. So once they log in, there are quick tools. So they can send announcements, schedule classes, create assignments, and view analytics, like as you told, sir.
Then the members, will they receive these announcements only in this app?
Yes, sir. Only in this app. Because
not in WhatsApp?
No, sir. Not in WhatsApp. But in future, like we can implement that one, sir. Because so as a bot, like we can add that one and we can send the one whenever they do the announcement, we can just send a message.
Correct.
We'll just create his first course. So Leo, any course you have created as of now, like you're taking? Do it fast.
So in Python level 3.
Python level. Okay. So don't worry about this course code. Like we'll come up with a method for unique identity for your each individual course. So it's programming and technology. So it's intermediate, right? Target. So you're targeting from grade 7 to 10.
Shouldn't we also generate his ID number, roll number in WeJump?
Yes, sir. ID number as well, like automatic ID
Yeah,
generation.
because later another Leo Lalapan also can join. Yeah,
Join, yes.
WeJump. There can be 10 different Leo Lalapan.
So, like when you're creating your courses, like you just have to give some broad ideas, like what would be taken and what are those things. Like we have to give the idea over here itself. So once we give this the course ideas, right? So the students can view this one and they can just enroll. So seeing these details. So
That's just what.
and yes, sir.
Yeah, you can be here. Yeah.
Okay, so like you have to set the duration, right? So it will go in for 3 months or 4 months and so on. So learning hours 7 hours, 1 hour per week, right? So delivery method. So it can be online, offline, or something like that. So online class will give. As of now, like we can set the maximum students where we can manage. So that also we can keep track of that one and when it will start and when it will end. So it starts from today and 3 months from now on, right? So we can keep the track. And then week one, what we'll teach introduction, outline. I have to mention the topics. Mm. So it has to be in detail. So each and every students can view this one.
Is there option to upload this week-wise course materials?
Yes, sir. Week wise, we'll think of something, sir. Like we'll
Yeah.
just divide it ourselves. They can create and they can.
Yeah, because at the time of creating this course structure, it will be good. Not only they mention the topics, but also the ready-made, the course materials, including the videos. Then
Videos.
it will be more prepared course.
Yes.
Who will, how to say, who will approve this course structure?
Sir, as of now, like it will be the instructor itself. So they'll just
Yeah.
approve this one because admin cannot always intervene for each and every class, like what they
Then
can take. But
it's better to assign a committee.
Committee member.
Yeah,
Okay, sir.
yeah. So either a professional or the teachers or somebody who is expert in that field to approve. Otherwise,
Yes.
student instructors will keep making many the
Mistake.
courses. Yeah.
So once they've created the course, it will be created.
Mm.
So I'll just this Leo has created. So
Mm.
once he has done, like I'll just join as a student.
Mm.
Student 3. So this is the student 3, right? So it's some students in grade 5. So we'll just
Mm.
explore courses. So
Mm.
Python level 2 and Python level 3 is there.
Whatever available courses, they will be able to see and join.
Yes, sir. They'll be able to see and join. So
Mm.
once they've created, like all the subjects would be listed out over here.
Mm.
So what they can do is like they can just request to join.
To join. So instructor can reject or accept.
They can accept and reject, sir. Both option they have.
Okay.
So just show that as well. So yes, requested. So
Say when they uh, attend one class and then submit one assignment and complete one project each time, will they get certain point? And then at the end of the successful completion of the course, can they get credit?
sorry, sir. Can you repeat? Some part I didn't.
Point with the credit. Say point. I attended one class, so I get
Yes.
one credit, 1 point. And I submitted my assignment for the first class. I get one more point.
One
And
more point. Okay, sir.
yeah, after 3 classes, I submitted my project with my friends, so I get 1 point. Yeah. Then at the end of the course, I have collected about 25 points. Then I'm eligible to get the credit and then completion certificate.
Yes, sir. Eligibility points.
Yeah. So credit and points are different. To get the credit, I need to collect certain number of points.
Points. Okay.
I need to accept the two Christ University students who will be joining Hasha sir for this project. So let me introduce them to you. Tejaswar and then Tejaswini, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
Yeah, would you turn on your video and introduce yourself to our WeJump student?
So myself, Steshmi. I'm currently pursuing my BTech in computer science from Christ University. I work with different projects, so I am familiar with technologies also.
Yeah, thank you. Tejaswar.
Hi, so I'm Teshokya, and I'm currently pursuing my Bachelor of Technology in Computer Science and Engineering. And I'm interested in this project because it helps people and it helps the needy. And I'm technologically proficient in skills such as front-end and back-end web development. And I can also learn on apps like languages like Kotlin, etc. I want to just make a good societal impact actually. So
Yeah, thank you. Tanishka, would you officially welcome them to WeJump?
Welcome, Tejaswini sister and Tejaswar brother. Like I was very happy to like know that there are even university students who are like working on these projects like to help some students. So I'm excited to work with you in the future when I learn more. Welcome to WeJump.
Yeah, thank you. For your information, Tanishka and the WeJump students, the Tejaswini, Tejaswar, they are the twin brother and sister. And then their mark, the CGPA, their marks are so high. Out of 4, 3.9 something. Wow. So almost 100 marks they are getting. And also attendance, class attendance also 100, nearly 100%. And then at the same time, they have developed the apps, not only for their project, but for industry. And then they are kind-hearted people who really want to support WeJump and work with us. Yeah. Once again, thank you, Tejaswini and Tejaswar.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So, Hasha sir, continue because all of us are here, but
Yes.
you may not have much time. Yeah, in 5 minutes you need to finish.
I'll finish that. Yes. So once course is created, right? So what we can do is like in course, like we would have mentioned 7 classes, right? So sorry, in course it's going back to courses. Okay.
Are you creating a new course?
Yes, sir. I think so. There was some issue with that creation, so I'm just doing the same thing, sir. Okay, I'll just take one example which is already there. Sorry, since you're having small time. So Python level 2 is already created. So you can just view, and then for every class is Python level 2, right?
Are you
So we
viewing
can add
from
class
the student, the login or instructor login?
from the instructor login, sir. I'll just show from the instructor login first, and then go to the student point of view.
But you selected the student too.
Sir, he's the instructor, sir. Leo also instructor, but some issue was there creating, so for that reason.
Sure.
So class name, it's about arrays. So we just created week number 1. So we're starting the week. So basics of the arrays in Python.
Okay. So this is a class-wise update.
Class-wise update. So they'll create the course, and every week they can create their own classes.
Okay. And also attendance can be entered here.
Yes, sir. They'll take after the classes, during the class sessions. So they can just come over here and they can take the attendance system here itself. So by if there are last 10 minutes of time left during their session, so they can just come over here and they can take the class. So class time they can select and they can start, and duration every 15 minutes we are given. So duration of 1 hour will take. And meeting link.
Sometimes one class, the one course can have multiple instructors.
Yes, sir. Multiple instructors would be there. We'll add that one as well.
Okay.
So joint session we can do, sir.
Okay.
So color-based system, why I'm giving is that because they can differentiate the class. So every time same color, they might get confused.
Okay.
So once they're done in their courses, they can just see the number of classes they have created, and they can just add and create those.
Here,
So
can we have a upload option, the course
Yes,
material
sir.
upload option?
Sir, there is LMS in each and every LMS system. There is management for their all the areas. I'll just create this, sir. So they can just add their contents over here. And then they can add new along with each and every text image, they can add image as well. So once that it's their PPT creation, sir. So they'll be having title and the contents inside that one. So each and instead of each and every slide they create, so they'll just create new content and they'll just add it over there, sir. So introduction. So once they're done, they can save the content, course content, and the students would be able to see this in their LMS systems. Right? Student.
Yeah, we understand that once a student enrolled, then we'll be able to see what the
Yes.
instructor has uploaded, and then they will participate in the class. And then once class is over, then the attendance will be given to the student, and then that will be reflected on both the
Yes,
dashboard
sir.
of the instructor, dashboard of the student, right?
Students, yes. Yes, sir.
And also, will there be any dashboard for the teachers, schools, and then, yeah, for the people with the, say, the school principals and others like that?
Yes, sir. We do have plan for that one for the
Mm,
school teachers and the principal, like whoever is joined, right? So
mm,
they can just track all the students like enrolled from their school, get
mm.
their details, and they can see that one, sir.
And also, say, state-wise, the total and the average also can see in one dashboard.
Yes, sir. In future, they can see,
Mm,
like state-wise and school-wise also they can see, and they are. We
mm.
can just analyze that one, sir.
Because later, even the country-wise and the continent-wise, yeah, summaries also we want to see on the dashboard. And then such dashboard to be available not only to the higher authorities, but even the learners. Everyone should be able to see what's going on around the world.
Yes, sir. I'll just look into that one, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much for your good effort. And then one suggestion is in WeJump, our signature color is green, so you can use a green more. Yeah. Okay. Tanishka, do you have any comment?
So for now, like, no, but I think I'll have more doubts. Like, I need to think about it.
Yeah, we will share for your testing and the feedback. And Pranava, do you have any comment?
Sure, as of now, no, but once that, I guess it will come
Mm.
with the issues and the problems.
Mm. When I say comment, it is not only the issues, but also what you feel. And then even the words of encouragement can be comment.
And that, sure, yeah, the app is looking good. Like when you said I didn't have this much expectations, but it is looking good. And one suggestion is that can't we do it like having the meetings in that app itself, like instead of.
Mm. Mm. Yeah.
Sir, to answer that
that
question,
feels.
we can't handle because at a time multiple students has to join and they have to do. So using the Zoom meetings, like we have to take. But what you can do is like you can just create all the course materials there itself. You can just share the screen. You don't have to create another PPT or something like that.
And what about the board? Can we keep the board that we can leave some questions and then somebody else answers like that?
Sir, there is an option like each students can ask the question in each class for the instructor. They can answer it there itself.
Yeah, yeah.
We
So,
can give doubt clarification on some note board we can keep, sir.
yeah, we may not be able to uh, uh, provide the Zoom kind of features, but we can provide the kind of text box that you can exchange your question and answer. Tanishka?
So, like, are we going to use this application for the language courses as well?
So, Harsha, what do you say?
Sir, we do use it for all the courses. So
Yeah,
it's
we will
not just
use.
only for the Python programming.
Okay.
So it's all like Canva, the language, Korean language, German language, everything will use. These
And
will use.
also, students, they will be having project. Is there any project management system?
Sir, each and every course they can add project. So there are
Mm,
two things in that project, sir.
mm,
So one is that individual projects and group projects. So they
okay.
can maintain that one.
Mm,
They can evaluate and they can just give it for the higher authorities like committees, as you mentioned, for
mm,
them to have, like kind of give this course and they can proceed with that way, sir.
And then offline classes are also conducted in each school. Can that be captured here?
The offline classes, I'll think of a method for that one. Yes, sir, but we can keep track of everything.
Sure.
Offline classes, like what they're doing, they just have to update like from the instructor. So because all the students can't update, so instructor, they can update it and they can just share that one, sir.
And then after the class, they usually record and then upload to YouTube. That can we have that link in the class?
Yes, sir. We can have that same link. They can just uh, we can just view it as a video, sir. It's possible, sir.
And
So that
then
option is there.
time to
So
time. Yeah, go
yes,
ahead.
sir. Sir, the thing is that in class management, as we are creating that image content and text content, so they can add video anytime. At the end of the class, they can record whatever the recorded meeting is there. They can just upload the video. We can view it there itself, sir.
Upload the video or upload the link?
A link also is possible. Video is also possible, sir. Both
Oh, but
options.
that will be huge.
Yes, sir. But we'll give it for YouTube link itself. So we'll YouTube it's
better.
fast.
And then this time to time we have workshops, say school-wise, independently they have, or state-wise or national, international. So do we have event management?
Yes, sir. Event management is there. I'll just show it to you just a minute.
No, not now. It's the time is already too much.
Already, yes.
Yeah.
Sir, there are every there is event like every week there will be an event, like for example from the admin point of view, small event would be there, small credit system would be there, like kind of a question will give problem statement or something like that, and every workshop, and we'll be capturing those as well, sir.
And then say like challenges can we have?
Yes, sir. We do have that system for weekly challenges or monthly challenges or group challenges we can keep.
That challenges, sometimes it can be course specific or across all the WeJump members. Is that okay?
Yes, sir. It's okay. We can just send it in the announcements, so they can just view and they can check.
Okay, thank you. Anyone else would you like to give some comment? Yeah. Okay. Maria?
Yes, sir. I just wanted to say that this looks really amazing. Earlier on, we were discussing in Pioneers meeting as well, like how we'll manage attendance and how everything we'll keep track of. So this looks really awesome, and I'm very excited to see how we can use it.
Yeah, thank you. So in the future, the Hasha sir,
yes, sir.
Do you have a plan to engage our WeJump students in development, not only the testing, but also in developing the modules?
Yes, sir. We do have plan for that one. We'll give it as a, like in software, there's something called as agile method. So small tasks we'll give it for the pioneers as well as the instructors. So they can just code and they can just give the output to me. So we'll just, they are the developers for some part of the web application itself.
So this will be first kind of thing that students not only receive this app and then have to use, but you build together. So I really want to encourage you to improve your programming skills and then the learning that experiences and put all those things into it and then further develop so that the children around the world can get benefit. Also later they join it. Yeah. Okay, so thank you so much. Then the WeJump, the pioneers, you may leave. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. So, Tejaswini and Tejaswar, do you have any question?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Can you say like what technologies you are using? Actually, which technologies are you using?
Yeah, framework.
Okay. So as of now, for the backend, I'm using Flask, database, PostgreSQL, and then for the front end is just plain HTML and CSS.
Okay, so HTML, CSS, JavaScript.
Yeah, JavaScript. Yeah.
Okay. So what are the modules you have to work on now?
I just before that one, like I just wanted to know your skills and those kind of things. So Yuan sir mentioned me like we had to meet on Thursday. That couldn't happen. So it's just like quick skills like what you have and like how good is your like if you can explain those, like I'll just tell you to what to work on the modules.
So I'm good with backend. I've used PostgreSQL for for my projects. So I
Okay,
can
so
design
you're
using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.
so database and front end part. So
Yeah.
coming into Flash, do you have any experience
No, I
or
have
else
not
like
used Flask in general. I've not used it.
so how well are you in Python proficiency?
I just know the basics in Python. Mostly I use Java.
So basics of Python. Just for do you know OOPS concept in Python? Like similar to Java.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. In Java, I know those concepts. I think it's the same in Python also, right?
Okay. So it's similar, but syntax will be different. So it's fine. What about Tejas? Tejaswini, I got to know. So database and HTML and CSS, JavaScript.
So, am I audible, sir?
Yeah, you're audible.
Yeah. So I'm skilled at front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and I know Python pretty good. And I use Flask for one project actually, but it's a basic project. And I know databases like PostgreSQL and MongoDB and SQLite and SQL.
SQLite, you know, okay, fine. SQLite and MongoDB.
And I have used some APIs for connection and artificial intelligence bots. Like the large language models. It can be used here as well. And vector databases like Pinecone. Yeah.
So when you mention API managements, right? So is it from cloud-based systems or
Is it like?
from the cloud-based systems? For example, for Amazon, you can deploy some of the AI models and you're just calling or directly from ChatGPT or those kind of things. API managements, API callings.
Yeah, we can do API calls through like from Gemini API like that, or we can even create APIs for authentication, etc. from Firebase like that.
Tejaswar, do you know how to deploy in the Amazon cloud server?
Like we have we deployment websites like a website and areas like render, Netlify, etc. So we can do that.
No, sir was asking like, do you have experience? Like, have you deployed anything? One example or something.
In like Amazon Cloud, I have not deployed it.
And for your information, Tejaswar and then Tejaswini, Harsha sir is the project manager of Center for Digital Innovation, for which I'm the director. And then sir has graduated your campus, your School of Engineering. When was it?
2018, sir.
Yeah. And then been with us. How many years with us?
7.5 years now, sir.
7.5
Almost
years. Okay. And then this WeJump, he's helping, yeah, without any uh, the financial uh, reward. Yeah. So voluntarily, he's spending his time for the underserved children in India and then around the world. So he and I have a meeting every day, and then we always talk about how to help. So welcome to WeJump, and then I believe this project once again that will empower you as well, and also our this networking will synergize us for the betterment of the children. Anything else, Harsha sir?
Yes, sir. Sir, I got to know like what they're good in like a little bit. Like I just got the idea, grasp. So what kind of approach we'll do is like we'll do have a weekly approach. So that would be better for them because they have to manage their studies, and uh, I think this is the semester they're going through, like last semester, and they'll join us in January. I believe that.
And also, Harsha sir, would you give them the kind of brief about the tool? You don't need to give a demo.
Yes,
You
sir.
can just go through what features are there, and and also what more you are planning to add. Then they can have an overall picture of the.
Yes. So, so currently there are three things. So there are three divided parts. So one is the admin part.
Can
So
you
as
show the tool and then explain?
yes, yes. So coming into our WeJump app, right? So it's running locally as of now. So this would be deployed in the CDI server itself. So we'll be having our domain name, and it would be forwarded to that one. Like with the domain name, like we'll be running this WeJump application. So that is the plan in the future.
You mean the domain name will be wejump.org?
Yes, sir. It will be since we already have the vjam.org, like we'll be having the root vjam.org /way. So if they give that part link, anyone can open this one. So we just have to configure to that domain name, sir.
Okay.
So that is one thing. So we'll be deploying it in the CDS servers, and anyone can access this one. All the students who are enrolled in VJump. So there are three things. One is admin point of view. Then there is teacher or instructor point of view, and there is student point of view.
Okay.
As of now, like as we discussed, there is one more point of view we need to have. That is the committee point of view. That is the school heads or school management system. So they can also just view like what's going on with the VJump for the students and across the globe. So they can just keep track of that as well. So four parts. So admin, student, committee, and instructor and teachers point of view. So just okay. So as of now, like we have around, sir, 7 schools we have, sir. So more than that, but as of now, like
in WeJump,
yes, sir, more than that we have. I just
we have 20 schools.
Yes, sir, 20 schools we had. I just took the list that day.
You just you be in the home page. You don't need to go in and then details. Just in the home page.
Yes, sir. Sir, like if I have in the admin page, so they'll get the overall idea like what's happening.
Okay.
So from admin point of view, like he'll be managing the students who will join for the VJump Academy. So he'll be managing the courses and the schools and this complete system web application settings over here. So coming into users, right? So who are the users? So as I told, like students can register, and once they register, like the admin or the committee has to approve their joining of the VJump. So once they're done, like they can just list all the students and keep tracking of their progress and what they're doing and everything. So it's just the dashboard, like as of now, like simple dashboard, but it will be more analytics coming in the future. So they can track each and every course, how much they completed, how much assignment they submitted, and what's the score of that evaluation. Those kind of things admin can view along with the committee members. So for example, Uh, okay, I'll just after completing the admin point. There are something called as instructors and teachers. So along with instructor and teachers, there is someone called as pioneers. So we do call them pioneers. So they are the, as you saw, right, some of the students who joined the previous meeting, they are the pioneers. So they'll just share their ideas like as a committee members. So what they can improve and those kind of things. So instructor, teachers, and pioneers are the decision makers for some of the courses we take, and the students they enroll for the courses. So second part I mentioned it. So those are the things. Uh, Admin, instructors, pioneers, and teachers can create multiple courses. It can be in any domain. It not be in programming. It can be in language. It can be your Microsoft tools. It can be Canva and so on. So they can create the course and they can manage that course for having all these study materials, all the meetings, and each class they can take up the question and answers and clear their doubts. Along with that one, they can take the attendance as well. So who has attended the class, and they can just I mentioned that as well. So each and every course is managed by individual instructors or multiple instructors at a time. So for example, two of the students who joined, right? So previously, Tanishka and Pranava, they do take Python level 2 classes. So if they take it together, they can do it as a together. Uh, that is one thing. So as of now, like there is something called as credit system. So who take the classes and who attend the classes. So based on their performance, credits and sir, you mentioned we have
Points
to
and then credit.
credits. Yeah, two things we have to make. So points is for attending and like kind of submitting. So based on the points, we'll give the credit if they have completed that course or not.
Yeah,
So
points
that
is
is
like a marks. Points is like
max.
marks, and then credit is once they completed that particular course, then they get the credit.
So, for example, if I want to give, sir, I got the idea. Like, I'll just, sir, they do have uh, this CA marks, and for example, for I'm giving for the younger students. So, CA marks you'll get. So, those are the points. And at the end, like, you'll be seeing your GP or something like that, right? So, those are the credits. So, for example, I'm giving.
But it's not with the exams. There is no exams, but they
There
need
is
to
no
attend the class, submit the assignment, and also submit the project. Then they get the point.
Yes.
Minimum we
Also,
will keep, not
yes.
complicated as CIAs.
Yes. So for just for the reference I gave, so it's not like your school structure. So this is
No,
totally different.
yeah,
So we don't want to burden the students with another test or exams. So we don't want to do. You have to make it a fun learning for them. So they'll
yeah.
just get the skills and do that.
And also by joining, attending this, by participating in quiz and the games, also they will collect the point.
Points.
Hmm.
So each course or each classes, they can do interactive quizzes or
Maybe,
uh,
yeah.
maybe they can create and they can just make
Yeah.
it interesting for the students. So
Mm.
because they don't want to get bored or something like that with
Mm.
just only
Yeah.
text and pictures and videos, so they'll get bored. So
And
to make them
also these student instructors, they will get the credit uh, upon the completion of the course.
courses. So instructor also will get the credits, and the students who completed they also will get credits. So one thing what we are doing in WeJump is that we are distributing laptops for the how do I say actively participating students and who are mostly engaging in the WeJump activities. So WeJump is giving them free laptops. They can use it for learning itself. So that is one thing. So if they get more credits, so more higher chances of getting laptop for them. And sir, you also mentioned many credits. Pioneers can go for international trip as well. So that is one thing. So credit system and point system is there. So based on that one, like they'll be awarded in the future.
Dr. Sweeney, do you have any comment at this point?
It's clear. If I have any, I'll let you know, sir.
Yeah, thank you. What about Tejaswar?
I really like it so urgent. I would recommend like if language changes are like in the whole website instead of just English, we can make it for all the languages, like common language to speak to people.
Yeah, it should
Okay,
be.
as of now, like I
Yeah.
do support all the major international languages. So German language, Korean language also is there. So the most of the WeJump students are attending German language and Korean language also. They're learning that as well. So that is also included.
What about say the tool, the language changing option to Telugu or Tamil or Kannada? Is it possible?
As of now, no, sir. Local language is not possible. Only like because we are using the Google language, but I think so. It's possible. As of now, it's not possible, sir. Local language they can change. I'll just look into that one, sir.
Tejaswa, are you talking about that?
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Do you have any available option for this? Tejaswa?
I'll check into it and I'll let you know.
Yeah, you should not slow down the system. At the same time, it should be accurate.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
good suggestion though. Anything else, Harsha sir?
Sir, also there is it's not just assignments in this. So at the completion, in order to complete their course or classes, so they need to complete some projects at the end of the thing. So it's not just to give the they have to come up with their own idea and they have to prove that when they have learned some things in the course they have done, they have to come up with it as a project idea.
Oh, okay. Then
So project management is
upon
also there.
the successful completion and also quality submission of the project outcomes, is there any space in this app to showcase their skill set, good outcomes, say a kind of gallery where we can put good outcomes?
Sir, as we have discussed, like there is an option for that, sir, because the best solution for each and every problem statement. So we can take out 5 best solutions, like, and we can just showcase for everyone to access. Also, they can share like how they did, like what's the procedure they followed, and they can teach other student as well.
I think that testimonials also very important. Yeah. So at the end of the course, what the student have learned, yeah, what they are now capable of doing. So testimonials also we can collect.
But I think we can also add like best performer of the week or something like that.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah. So for each course, you can select the best performers and then their photos and like this. And then their assignments or the project. So just give a link. And then the best performers testimonial. Yeah, like this. Yeah, that's a good suggestion. So Harsha sir, you don't need to do everything you alone. So
Yes, sir.
yeah, distribute among Tejaswini and then Tejaswar later with the WeJump student.
Yes, sir. I'll do that one because I'll just divide it in. As I told, sir, like
Yes.
weekly task I can give.
Okay.
I can just at the end of the week I can collect. For example, Thursday I can collect their solution. Friday I can just join it into my code as a branch from the GitHub.
Yes.
I can just share if any issues comes. I can just have one more meeting with them, sir.
So Tejaswini and Tejaswar, is that okay? You develop certain modules and share in the GitHub and then serve, integrate and show you once a week.
Yes, sir, that works.
Yeah, so
Okay.
that works.
Yeah, thank you. That's it from myself. Harsha, sir, anything?
No, that's it from my end also, sir. Because once I get to work with them, I'll just have interaction with them. As at the moment, those things are there, sir.
So despite your busy office work, how many days have you used for this app development?
Sometimes it would go up to nights. So it depends, sir.
So around how many days you have spent for this?
Sir, as of now, like static developed around 2 weeks back, sir. So
2 weeks
just with
back.
all the
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
so connecting and all, it took some time, sir.
So what's your kind of a timeline when will the WeJump children start testing the tool, using the tool? Yeah.
Sir, is it fine if I just mention it tomorrow, sir? Just as of now, like as you can see, there are some things like I have to look into that as well.
You can also plan according to the phase. You don't need to implement everything we suggested. Phase-wise, you make, and then first phase when you are going to complete. Second and third phase like this. Phase-wise timeline you can prepare.
Yes, sir. As you mentioned, it's true, sir. Phase-wise, like we'll do have the basic LMS model. So it's
Yes.
just course management.
Yes.
Then we'll go for credit and those analytics for
Sure.
second phase,
Sure.
and then integrating APIs, those kind of thing, will go in third phase, and we'll do
Yes.
that.
So very basic, very essential, but also only at the earliest introduce.
Yes.
Let them use and give us a feedback, and then we incorporate. And then after that, we go for the next phase, like credit systems and languages or any others. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much. Would you once again show your faces? This as well. Yeah. Okay. So thank you so much and have a great evening.
Thank you, sir, and thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Yeah. Bye bye.
Well,
Yeah. Thank
bye, sir.
you.